This is a tangle called Beelight. It's such an amazing repetitive tangle. I highly recommend doing a whole page of this one to just, if you're really trying to zone out. So it just starts, I'm curving these lines, but you can do whatever you want. I started with a dot in each corner of the paper with pencil and created a border with pencil. Now I recommend we start with gratitude. Breathe in the things we're grateful for, exhale all the junk. Be appreciative of the paper, the pen, whatever it is that you're appreciative or grateful for. Breathe that in, and on the exhale, bring those shoulders down away from your ears and just take a moment to sit in that space. And then once you have your lines drawn, you're going to draw this kind of ladybug, not the full ladybug, filling in the corner of each section. Now, I left a shine spot, meaning I left a little bit of white there, so it looks like it's a little bit shiny. You can choose to keep that, not keep that, totally up to you. This is a personal thing. So if that's something that you like, then definitely keep it. If not, you don't need to. And then we're going to aura it. And auras is what I'm doing right now. So for those of you saying, what's auraing? If you think about the aura of energy around your body, this is the same thing, only we're drawing it. And every once in a while, I'm going to leave a space open between those auras. And it's going to create another shine spot on that area. So it's really aura, 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 and then deciding if you want a shine spot or not. And so just make sure that you're breathing, light with the pen, light with the pressure. Enjoy what you're doing. Don't judge what you're doing. Not every rounded line is going to be perfect. Not every little ladybug in the corner is going to be perfect. And the more you embrace how perfectly imperfect you are, tangles, you're just going to start to love them even more and more. So embrace how imperfect you are, because we all are. Now, when it got to the point of shading for me for this, there's no rhyme or reason to it. So I just went down the line, went down the other line. But then after I did this, I decided to really go at it with some heavy shading, because I really felt these to be like an underwater creature the more I was looking at them. And so you'll have to watch at the very end, because I think that is exactly what they kind of look like. They're just cool. Or even like some kind of maybe insect that would glow in the dark in a jungle, something like that. It's what makes you happy. What do you enjoy about what you created? This is all about you. Nobody but you. So just make sure throughout the whole time you're tangling that you're not holding your breath, biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw or the toes, pushing down too hard with the pen, or squeezing the pen too tight. It's all about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you.